Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Manzoor Khan, and we are talking about Iqra Islamic Center. This is our future presented place. We are moving out of the garage. This is the beginning stage of 309 Whittington Street, where we are wanted to establish our Iqra Islamic Center for the future. And the laundromat unit on your left, and the Noah's Ark, which used to be a church for 23 years. Now we emptied out both of the units. It comes about 2,600 square feet, and we will do the demolition and work inside.
Inshallah, we are on the way to make a mosque in Taunton named Iqra Islamic Center, IIC. This is because of the benefit of the Muslim community in this area and for the spiritual upliftment of ourselves.
السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته، والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله سيدنا محمد صلى الله عليه وسلم وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين والتابعين لهم بإحسان إن شاء الله. بسم الله وبإذن الله نضع بذرة المركز الإسلامي في مدينة طنطن، وندعو الله سبحانه وتعالى التوفيق والسداد، وندعو الله سبحانه وتعالى أن يرزقنا وإياكم العمل الجاد والإخلاص في العمل. ندعوكم بالمساعدة بالدعاء الطيب المخلص لوجه الله سبحانه وتعالى بالتوفيق، وندعوكم بالتبرع والمساعدة في بناء هذا المسجد لعله يكون بذرة طيبة وصرح عظيم لمدينتنا وما يحيط بها من المدن الأخرى. ندعو الله سبحانه وتعالى بكل خير، والحمد لله رب العالمين، والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله، والسلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.
Assalamu alaikum, dear brothers and sisters in Islam. Please help us and support us in building a mosque in the greater Taunton area. There is currently no mosque here, and it is very important for the Muslim community to prosper in this area. As you know, that building a mosque in this dunya is like building a home in Jannah. And we should be very proud that Allah has chosen us for this opportunity and His noble cause to serve Him. May Allah help us always. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum, this is Ali Qureshi. I've been coming to Brother Manzoor's place to offer Jummah prayer for well over 6 months now. As it was very convenient. This is the only option in Taunton area that I am aware of. Other options would be for people to travel from here to either Brockton, Quincy, or Sharon, and the distance to those places from here, especially on a work day, makes it challenging to offer Jummah prayer on time and conveniently. It would be really beneficial to have a local proper mosque in Taunton area. I would highly recommend donating to this cause. Jazakallah.
Assalamu alaikum. We're trying to raise funds for the Muslim Mosque in Taunton. Please help support this noble cause to strengthen our Islamic community. Thank you.
Taking you to the laundromat side of it, which is all the machine being taken out and ready to do the demolition. This is the present situation, and inshallah after the demolition we'll have 2,600 square feet. This is just only the laundromat side. Now we are about to go to the church part of it. This is the Noah's Ark. Church been here 23 years. It's a church, and previously we went to the laundromat side. So this is the wall in between the laundromat and the church will be taken down, and literally all these walls will be taken down. And as you can see, the places is pretty big. All these units gonna come out. We will make 2 bathrooms for sisters and brothers, and each bathrooms will have 2 toilets each and 3 wudu places each one of the units. This is gonna be our back entrance, and let's go outside to see how these are gonna be our parking. This is also entrance, and this is how our future entrance will be. This is where is the future entrance will be, inshallah. And hope to see you guys soon, and keep us in your prayer. Jazakallah khair. Assalamu alaikum.